What's good, baby? So, today, God, I love this new position of the handlebars. Made a huge difference. It's like so much more, it's so much easier to move this thing around. Oh my God, I love this bike. I love you. I still love you. I love you even more the fact that you crashed and you got right back up and you kept on ripping. That's a good bike. Good bike. Just gonna move these controls. Anyway, hella nimble now. If it wasn't nimble before, it's even nimbler. Anyway, I give you a 10 out of 10 every time, Africa. I love you. Alright, so I need a Gsxr engine bolt. It's gonna be 100 today, so I need a gallon of water. And I need some power bars. Hell yeah. Alright, check, check. Now it's time for the water. You know it, baby! There you go. Here.
Oh shit, there it goes.
There you go. Nice. Spin it.
It's so fucking hot as shit.
Is that going in?
Yeah.
Alright,
That's
cool.
all we need.
That's it.
Hey.
Baby! Alright, so we got progress today.
That's plenty of room.
It's tons. We can do this ourselves.
You got the bolts for it?
Yeah. Should be like right here. We're gonna want Justin here. Time for the engine mounting.
I think you and I can probably lift it and you can probably get the bolt through it.
Easy. Do you remember which way this went?
It
Yeah.
looks like there's a washer in recess right here. So I think it's...
There's no washers.
Oh. 1, 2, 3.
Alright.
Oh, well, it's already like. Oh, never mind. Yeah,
The
the bottom one.
one, yeah.
It's already what? Too tall?
Alright, jack her up.
Okay, Rob, right there.
Tell me when.
Right there.
Stop right there. I'm gonna go down a smidge, we'll try to get
Here.
one side in.
This way?
Go from the other side.
You got it?
Nothing goes down. You can tilt it and move it. There you go.
It's in?
No, not quite.
Lift it up. Hold it up. Hold it up. Alright, now.
In.
Alright.
That's right.
I'm lined up here.
Same.
Get in, baby.
Maybe. Is it really? It
Yeah.
worked? No problem?
It's all nice and smooth.
But is it torque spec?
No.
Torque spec is going to be what you do on a lock nut. Just
Torque spec's everything. Yeah, 16.5 foot-pounds.
I'll try to get some locks in there, and then
Now, it's over 100 degrees outside at least. We're kind of staying cool in here. What do you think, Toby? Frida? Yeah, it's hot. It's a little too hot, but whatever. Alright, so we got our 2 engine bolts here. There we go. And these are gonna go up here, hopefully. Classic, didn't even record that, but we torque spec the engine bolts here, engine mount bolts, and they're torque spec, 40 foot-pounds on the front too, and then these back 2 rods have crazy measurements across all the boards, so it's go time. Time to put on the rest of this stuff. Are you pretty in? See what I mean?
yeah. I just wanted to go in crooked. There you go. besides that one. No, pretty good now.
Let me see. Hold on. Is there?
This hole's on both sides, I think.
All right.
Pretty sure. I thought it was just one side, but I think it is.
Ignition coils. If you want to put those in, those are an easy. I don't know if it's one of the first things to do. You got. Let's see this one. All right, so I'm gonna start tightening these down nice and equal.
You got a torch back?
For these, no, I don't. Some of these aren't.
$16.5 foot-pounds.
Yep. And the muffler connecting bolt.
16.5.
Yeah, a little spring rebound for the pump. Hallelujah. Ooh. Maybe I want that on there.
Change that one?
True.
You want the old one?
I think I can get it off. I don't want the old one, I just want this. Spring mechanism, you know?
I feel like he's getting smaller now. Go the other way.
It's getting smaller right now. Is it going down?
I don't think it unscrews.
It has to. There's 2 bolts on here.
Kind of aluminum.
But it's fucking tight, man.
Well,
I was still wanting to take this whole mechanism off, you know, and put it down here. Because this screws. You tighten it like that.
fucking awkward angle.
And that's your, but look, you see how off that is?
Yeah.
Like without that spring, it like does not, it's not gonna maintain that very well. And that keeps like a pressure. So. I must break it.
Might have a strict one back here.
No,
One.
don't tighten it anymore.
I'm not.
Is it tight still?
It's not. It's too. No, it's not even.
It's just sitting there? Will it slide out?
No. It's in. It's threaded in. It's just the head's stripped.
Hmm.
Or it just could be the angle. I don't think it's the angle though, because I did the other ones.
So I can do that still and this. Should I not do that like that? I think that looks fine. Right?
Excuse me.
Damn, aftermarket OEM rear brake cylinder for the win. Motherfuckers, what?
Fine. Hey. Done.
It's tight.
All the same size. Guessing the
Some are
ones,
long.
The long ones are for here. Should have 3 more long ones.
Yeah, those go on easy.
Oh, long one probably goes down here.
Please start, Gsxr. Please start, and just please be perfect. And then we won't have to take slug round shotgun shells at you with tannerite. Gas tank filled with tannerite.
He's on the freeway, but it looks like the traffic is standing still.
Yeah, I watched a lot of videos like police chasing. I probably have to miss him. Because he could pass like 8 different cops.
I think this one's just. You left the top middle close to the one.
I was just cruising.
This is where it goes right here. Like he just fucking goes full out.
The cop is trying. Oh, that's great.
You can hear him, he's just holding. There he goes. Just relax. Right here. Oh, watching the traffic. He's passing him so fucking fast, dude.
Yeah, that's it.
After this turn, watch the traffic. Looks like you're fucking parked in the freeway.
Alright, I gotta record in 15-minute spurts because the GoPro is overheating. I'm gonna toss in these new ignition coils. So, some differences on the bike. The spark plug gap on the initial spark plugs was a little off spec. There's the new Iridium spark plugs in there. They are all on spec. And also got the valves checked and adjusted. And the exhaust valves were actually quite a bit off. So, few changes. I think this bike should fire right up. I'd be shook if it didn't. Aftermarket everything. Gonna even hook on the front frame today and get the speedo mounted. That clicked. These didn't click.
They seem in now. Might just not be audible.
Hey! There you go. That's what I like to hear. Turn the wheel.
Nice.
That's the chafe sleeve. There you go.
Is that good? I believe I'm in.
Get mine started. Oh, wind them.
All right, throttle body time.
Yeah.
All right, so let's just take these off. Oh my God, it's clean in there. Ooh. Gorgeous, gorgeous.
So I'm guessing.
These should all slide off now. At least this one.
Should. There you go. So that's, yeah, that side. Far side.
That's over. Easy peasy. Oh, that has to come out?
Yeah. I could probably pull it. I could probably just pull it off. It's like cracked and fucked.
Make sure they're all nice and loose. Hold on, let me clear this.
Yeah. What's supposed to be with that?
It's pretty lined up. That's solid. You can see them there, true.
Yeah.
It's well lined.
Yeah.
All right, now we got the super small one, super extendo clip.
You got this. You got this.
Oh my God, that's nice. Is that tight?
It's like this. But it's probably tight, yeah.
I didn't know these holes are nice.
Perfect fucking size.
Now you know what these holes are for, if you didn't already.
Man, everyone that
Is
comments
that tight?
Yeah. But the same as the other side.
Yeah. This shit ain't fucking coming
Come
out.
on, bro. Everyone that comments on YouTube videos is a mechanic. Did you know that?
Yeah, I know that. Alright, thank you. Baby! Come here. But that one went all the way through. See? There we go. All right, it's time to conquer the tank. Once and for all. Finish it. Do we have a tube to siphon?
We just gotta do it. Keep doing it. My bad, I didn't recording.
Oh, that's all good. Wait. Do we have a siphon, Justin?
No. Do you have like a hose that you don't use?
You did it so fast.
That shit went quick. I didn't expect it to come that quick.
It's draining pretty good.
MAXY build number 2.
Getting sanded off. Oh. How's it feel? Still got gas in there, huh?
Let me see.
None?
That sounds pretty empty. Let me see.
The fuck's knocking